Those two are probably sisters or brothers.
Okay, so
And cool with us.
So-
Puppies on the bed?
yeah. So these are puppies that the person that rented our house out had, and look
How
at
can you tell
that
if it's a boy or a girl?
little face. Just look at that. This is the mama.
Riley.
Yeah, girl. This is the mama, and these are my friends. This is my friend too. This is
Oh my gosh, can I get a picture?
their mom.
Their mom? Is that all I get?
Yeah.
Their mom.
Why did she roll them over?
Because she wants to lick them. Okay, so check out my channel and look at voiceover puppies since it's cute.
Riley.
Those
All good.
those are what dogs look like.
She said, you try having 5.
Yeah,
Nick.
she might just be nervous.
Neck fat. Little puppy neck fat.
She's turned gray.
It's like, I'm a mother.
She's an old mom. She's tiny.
That's 70 in
Let me see this.
She's 70 and she had
He's
5
just
puppies.
resting.
Whoa.
I want him to suck on my finger.
She doesn't want to.
You look so tired.
How old is the dog next door?
I don't know. Just let me see really quick. Wait, get a picture of this. He's sucking on my thumb.
You want me to take a picture of it?
No, I mean just like record it.
Oh.
Record it, quick.
Oh, it's kind of blurry. Here, take a picture of this one's face.
Is that cute or what?
Can't take a picture, Mom. It's all frozen up.
No, my phone's. I need to
Reset it.
Yeah, because their necks can break.
I'm
really
a puppy.
easily.
Like my little bird.
So bye and subscribe. Post in the comments what you think they'd be named. There are 5 puppies in the litter. And goodbye.